Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own music video with AI for free. And if this is the first time that you're joining us on this channel, please like this video so that all of you can see it. Subscribe and turn up notifications so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to come to this website called SUNO.com. You can click on the link in my description, and Suno is going to give you 250 credits for free when you create up to 10 music. All right, so this is the website. Create a country song about my friend Jess being late again. That is just a prompt that they are giving you. So there are a lot of things that you can create with these AI tool. So you can click on sign up here, and then you can sign up with different things like Facebook, Apple, Google, and so on. And you can also sign up with your phone number. Once you sign up, just come to this website. You will see the home, all right, and you will see create. You will see library. So library is where all of your music are going to be stored. And then we have explore and so on and so forth. And then you see your credits here, okay? And then you see invite friends. So you can also invite friends and then you get credit and your friends get credit when they create up to 10 songs. So the next thing you want to do is to come to this create, okay? Once you come to the create, there are two things that you see in the create section. So we have simple and then we have custom. So the simple is just where you just tell it whatever you want it to do, okay? So for example, you just describe yourself, say, a strong ambient song about Jesus, or a strong ambient song about my friend. Or you can even say, create me a song based on Psalm 75. So I'm a Christian, so that's why I keep mentioning these things. But let's say you have a lover or a girlfriend and you want to create a song for her. You can just say, create a beautiful love song for my girlfriend. So let's try that. We say, create a beautiful love song for my girlfriend. So you can decide to add lyrics yourself, or even, add an audio, a reference audio, or you can make it instrumental. So if you want it to just be instrumental, you can add this, that means that it wouldn't have any voice. But in this case, we want it to be an actual song. So I would say, create a beautiful love song for my girlfriend. And then we'll click on create. So if you look at this place, you will see that the music is being created. Now, if you have a girlfriend, I'm assuming that if you sent this music to her, she probably love it. But let's click on one of the songs and see or hear how it feels. It says the title is Forever in Your Eyes. Now, if you click on this song, now I'm not going to play it first. I'll just pause it. All right. So you see that the song has lyrics. So you can see the lyrics here so that you know what you're singing. All right. Now, once you are ready to hear the song, you just go ahead and play the song. So let's play the song and hear how it's going to sound. Remember, the lyrics are here.
I found the sun in your gentle gaze, a light that cuts through the darkest haze.
Now, I'm not going to continue this one because I see that some of you already falling in love with me. By the way, I'm married. So, Forever in Your Eyes. That is a beautiful song by AI. So, if you want, for example, let's say you have the lyrics yourself. And by the way, you can download this song. Okay, if you click here and then you can go to download, you can download this as MP3, WAVR, and so on. You can even generate a video for the song. All right. But I won't download it at the moment. I'll just leave it like that. So that is if you want the AI to create the lyrics and everything for you. Now, let's assume that you have the lyrics of a song by yourself. You can go to custom, okay? And then you can come here and put the lyrics here. So let's go to ChatGPT, for example. I gave it lyrics of a song and I say, improve this Christian song. And he gave me this, this lyrics. So I will just copy this and then I will go to SUNO AI, and then I'll paste it here. So I would then say, if you come here, you can also make it instrumental only, but I want it to be an audio with a sound, okay? And then here is where you give it the name, the description of what you want it to be. So for example, I am an African, so I would like Afrobeat. So I would say Afrobeat. I would say, percussion, and then I would say classical. So I don't know how that is going to work, but mixing classical, Afrobeat, and percussion. Let's see how it's going to sound. So once you're ready to do that, I can also say gospel. Okay. So once you're ready to do that, just click on create. But there are also other options here. Wellness, right? Turn it up for wide unexpected results and so on and so forth. But let's just make this as simple as possible. But here I can make it say, He loves me. So the title, He loves me. All right. And then you just click on create. Let's see what the AI will create for us. We have the lyrics. We've given it the lyrics, and we've told AI or instructed it on the different things that we wanted to create. Let's now listen.
Oh, what love, unchanging love, flowing from the Father's heart above.
Wow.
Every day, His truth I see. Jesus lives, and He loves me.
Hey, I love this, man. This is beautiful. Let's listen to the second one. All right, so I love this song, but I think I prefer the first one. Which one do you prefer? Is it the first one or the second one? Let me know in the comment section. So basically, you've created your music and now it's time to make money from it. If you want to make money from this thing, okay, the first thing is you can create this music and upload it on a website and tell people to buy it. Okay, so if they buy it, they can use it on their maybe YouTube video or social media or anything they want to use it for. You can give them the right to use it for anything. All right, that is one. Number two, you can upload this audio on platforms that stream music. For example, we have TuneCore, all right, and then they will distribute your music across different platforms. That means you're a musician and you have the right. Actually, there are two types of account. We have the free account. The free account, according to the terms and condition, you need to be able to give them credit if you're using it on any platform, and you cannot use it, commercialize it. You cannot commercialize it. But if you have the paid subscription, any music you create using that paid subscription is yours. So for example, you can sell it, you can give it out as gift, you can decide not to credit them, or you can decide to credit them. It all depends on your own initiative. All right. So that is the way to make money with it. Another way is you can even create a music video. All right. For instance, you can learn one of the songs, and once you finish learning that song, you can then create a music video or about the song and lip sync it as if you are the one singing the song and upload it on YouTube, and then from there you can make money from it. Or you can even use AI and generate the lip syncing. Okay, we have different AI platforms that do that. All right, so that is how to create music with AI. All right, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and I hope you got so much value from this video, and I look forward to listening to your own music. By the way, this is a music I created for digital marketing. It's called the ABC of digital marketing. As I round up, I'm going to let you enjoy that song.
Let's go from A to Z. Come learn and grow with me. Digital marketing.